Let me introduce myself. My name is Karishma Rameshlal Panjwani. I am from BSc second year from third semester. My roll number is 2268. My college name is Sri RIT College of Science, Akula. My topic is geometric series. First of all, what is geometric series? The series of the form summation n equal to 1 to infinity x raised to n minus 1 is equal to 1 plus x square plus and so on up to plus x raised to n minus 1 plus and so on. This is called a geometric series with common ratio x. Here common ratio is x because if we divide the next term to its previous consecutive term, then we get the value x. See here, if we divide this second term to first term, that is x upon 1, we get ratio x. Again, third term divided by second term, that is x square divided by x, we get common ratio x. Similarly, for all terms, we get common ratio x. Then the sum of the series depending on x are given by Sn is equal to 1 minus x raised to n upon 1 minus x. When x is less than 1, then it will be minus from 1. And for x greater than 1 will be minus from that x. So here x raised to n minus 1 upon x minus 1 for x greater than 1. And if x will equal to 1, then value of Sn, that is sum of series, is equal to n. Now, let me see about the theorem of geometric series. See, theorem statement is prove that the geometric series summation n equal to 1 to infinity x raised to n minus 1 converges to 1 upon 1 minus x for x less than 1 and diverges for x greater than equal to 1. Proof. Here we know that xn is the nth term of series. If we consider the series x1, x2 up to xn, then here nth term of series will be xn. And if we consider this series, geometric series, then it will be 1 plus x square up to x raised to n minus 1. So here nth term is x raised to n minus 1. So x raised to n minus 1 is the nth term of this series. Similarly, Sn is denoted by x1, x2 up to xn. But here, in this case, geometric series, Sn is equal to 1 plus x square up to x raised to n minus 1. Now, the sum of the series is given by xn is equal to 1 minus x raised to n upon 1 minus x for x less than 1. And it is equal to x raised to n minus 1 upon x minus 1 for x greater than 1. It is equal to n for x equal to 1. We will give it as equation 1. Now, we know that limit n tends to infinity, x raised to n is equal to 0 for x less than 1. And it is equal to infinity for x greater than 1. We will give this as equation 2. Let's explain this by giving an example. See, for x raised to n, if x is less than 1, take x equal to here for example, when x is less than 1, then we can take value of x as 0.9. So here we know that 0.9 is less than 1. Now for limit of this x raised to n, that is here x is 0.9. So 0.9 to the power n equal to 0.9 can be written as 9 into 10 raised to minus 1. So to the power n, and 9 raised to power n into 10 raised to power minus n. Here 9 raised to n is, put the value of n, infinity and minus infinity. Here anything to power infinity is infinity And 10 raised to minus infinity can be written as 1 upon 10 raised to infinity. So 1 upon 10 raised to infinity is nothing but 1 upon infinity, which is equal to 0. And we know that infinity into 0 is equal to 0. Now, let we take for x greater than 1, let x equal to 8. So limit of 8 raised to power n is equal to 8 raised to infinity. And we know that anything to power infinity is infinity. So here we get for x less than 1, value of limit is 0, and for x greater than 1, value of limit is infinity. Now, here we consider three cases for x less than 1, x greater than 1, and x equal to 1. See, first x less than 1. Equation 1 implies Sn is equal to 1 minus x raised to n upon 1 minus x. See this equation 1 for x less than 1, 1 minus x raised to n upon 1 minus x. So now we take limit as n tends to infinity. So limit n tends to infinity, Sn is equal to limit of this term. Limit n tends to infinity, 1 minus x raised to n upon 1 minus x. So here we will give this limit to separately to all the terms. So 1 minus limit n tends to infinity x raised to n upon 1 minus x. Now we know that limit n tends to infinity x raised to n is equal to 0 for x less than 1. See this from equation 2, for x less than 1, value is equal to 0. So 1 minus 0 upon 1 minus x. Here we get 1 upon 1 minus x. Thus the series summation n equal to 1 to infinity x raised to n minus 1 converges to 1 upon 1 minus x for x less than 1. Now we take here the second case for x greater than 1. Equation 1 implies, see here from equation 1, for x greater than 1, value is x raised to n minus 1 upon x minus 1. See here, x raised to n minus 1 upon x minus 1. Now, taking limit as n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity, Sn is equal to limit of this value. Limit n tends to infinity, x raised to n minus 1 upon x minus 1. Now, we will give limit to each term. Limit n tends to infinity x raised to n minus limit of this 1 is 1. Limit of x is again x. Limit of x is x because here limit n tends to infinity. Therefore, here we get x minus limit of 1 is 1. Now, from equation 2, we know that for x greater than 1, value of this limit n tends to infinity x raised to n is equal to infinity. So put here infinity minus 1 upon x minus 1. And we know that infinity minus 1 is infinity. And infinity upon x minus 1 is again infinity. So this whole term will give value infinity. Therefore, the series summation n equal to 1 to infinity x raised to n minus 1 is divergent for x greater than 1. This was second case for x greater than 1. Here we get the value infinity, that is divergent. Now finally, let x equal to 1. And we know that by equation 1, Sn is equal to n for x equal to 1. So now taking limit as n tends to infinity, we get limit n tends to infinity Sn is equal to limit n tends to infinity. Here n is given, so put n, and in place of n we have to put now value infinity. So it is infinity. Again, for n equal, Sn is equal to n and x equal to 1, the series is divergent. See here, the series summation n equal to 1 to infinity x raised to n minus 1 is divergent for x equal to 1. Hence, the geometric series summation n equal to 1 to infinity x raised to n minus 1 converges to 1 upon 1 minus x for x less than 1 and is divergent for x greater than equal to 1. At last, thank you for your unwavering attention throughout the seminar. Thank you once again.